Okay, hello everyone again. Guys, I am going to look at the top green folder for today. This is today's folder, day 19, okay? We're going to look at the top green folder and look at these two puzzle piece assignments, okay? Again, I'm going to go up to one of my tabs right here and flip over. Again, this is today's folder. I'm going to go in the top green folder again. I'm going to open up a copy of the video slideshow so we can get our answers. All right, there it is. Scatter plots. Okay, I'm going to click back and open up the notes assignment. That should be first. Give you guys a minute if you want to open it up. And the first thing is the title of today's lesson. Okay, you probably see it here. Scatter plots, that's what we're looking at. Again, every day it's right here, scatter plots, day 1. It's always the top, scatter plots, day 1. You see that? The top of each slide, okay? Next, essential question of the day. I type it in there. It's right there. How can we model the relationship between two variables? I'll leave it on the screen to give you guys a minute if you want to type it in. How can we model the relationship between two variables? Okay. Come back, last one. What are the vocabulary words for today? All right, again, go back to the slideshow. It's always the last slide. So it's the very last slide in the top green folder. Right there. There's 5 words today. Scatter plot, line of best fit, interpolation, extrapolation, and correlation. So find those words here. There's 5 of them, all right? Mark them down. And if you need them again, I'll show them to you right there. Scatter plot, line of best fit, interpolation, extrapolation, and correlation. Okay. That should do it for the notes assignment. Let's go back and take a look at the summary. All right, this is the day 19 summary. Give you all a minute if you want to try to get there. All right. Which shows the best line of best fit? Just make sure you have equal number of points on each side of the line. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That doesn't look good at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is it right here. All right, again, just count the points on each side of the line. Make sure you have equal on each side. All right, yeah, I think that's right. I don't know for sure. All right. Scatter diagram. Use extrapolation to predict the value of y when x equals 11. Well, here's x equals 11. See, x is on the bottom here. Nah, this is 8, 10, 12. So 11's right in the middle here. Let's go all the way up, and try to figure out where would that line be. Sometimes I take a pencil, or a piece of paper, a ruler, and kind of line it up over my screen and kind of see where I would put it. I'm looking at about 22 and a half, 23 and a half, 23 and a half. That's what I'm going to guess right there, 23 and a half. That's my guess. All right, again. High negative correlation this time. Coming down. Use interpolation. Predict a value when x equals 7. All right, well, x between 6 and 8, that's 7. So just come right on up here to 7. Somewhere in here. 3.3 or 3.2? 3.4? 3.2. I'm thinking it's 3.4. Guys, again, it's one of those two. You line it up and see what you think. All right, 2 sets of data, high negative correlation. Use extrapolation, x equals 1. That's back up here. Between 0 and 1, or 0 and 2 is 1 right here. Go all the way up. All the way up. Try to figure out where the line would be. Oh, it's up in here somewhere. It's getting close to 5, 4.8 or so, something like that. Yep, you can figure out where you think it is. All right, which is the best align, best fit? That's not very good. That one looks pretty good. Well, 3 on this side? I guess not. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe this one. Yeah, I'm going to say it's this one right here. All right. Last one, which is the best line of best fit? All right, that doesn't look very good. This one, not too good either. What about this one? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nah, how about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm thinking it's this one right here. Yep, try to get equal on both sides. All right, guys, that's it. Again, if you need some extra help, go ahead and email me. If you didn't do as well on that summary, go ahead and take it again right now. All right, that's it. Thanks.